Okay, this face is almost finished. There's a few areas you don't need to do the background, so we'll cross that out. Probably there. You want to have an outline around your hair, so that line should go right there, I think. But let's not do these background lines. At the eyes, you can see there's a few more shapes in here that need to be done. And this dark area here. And then probably, I don't know, we can connect that line right there. It's important that all your lines are connected. And the teeth, they're tricky when they have braces, but I think maybe just get a couple shades there, because usually there's a darker area. If you are talking unnecessarily right now, we're filming, so alright, I think a little bit here with the eye. Got to get all those little details. Makes a difference. And again there, complete that line. Alright, when you are done with the contour mapping of your face, what you're going to do is make your grids. And to make your grids, you fold it in half once, make nice creases, fold it in half twice. Again, make creases, and then you're going to fold it a third time. Try to get it as even as possible. And after you fold it 3 times, that third fold, you're going to unfold it. And there, now I have my vertical lines. And each one of these vertical lines, and here's a little trick, if you fold it like this, then you can just run your Sharpie along that edge. Now here, I'm going to change the direction of the fold so it's on the inside. Because then I don't need to use a ruler. If I hold it up like this while I draw with the Sharpie, you'll get a nice straight line. Ooh, and I see a spot right there. You see where the line doesn't connect? All of those lines have to connect so that you have shapes. And I think we'll add that dark one there. So you go ahead and do all of those lines in order to, and I can see there that got a little bit crooked. So I'm going to come back here and refold that one because I just know that one's wrong. Sometimes when you get that third layer, it gets off. Because I can see that it's uneven. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect, but the more accurate you get it, obviously, the more accurate your drawing will be. I went on that original line. So, line there. Line here, and the last one, and again that looks like it might be a little off, so I'm just going to refold that so at least these two are equal. So then I have my vertical lines. I'm going to do the same thing, folding it horizontally. Fold it in half once. Fold it in half twice. And fold it the third time. And fold it, and once again you're gonna do all of your lines. And if you've done it correctly, you're gonna have 8 rows and 8 columns, which means you'll end up with 8 rectangles, which will correspond with the rectangles that you've drawn on your larger sheet of paper. And once again, I see some areas here where those lines just stop. You want to make sure everything needs to be a shape. So, once you get your once you get your grid lines drawn in, then you're ready to transfer the design. Again, I'm having a little trouble with that last one there. Doesn't like me today, and the Sharpie's running out of ink. Sharpie runs out of ink, go get a new one. So now the drawing's gridded and you're ready to start. So like for this square, that would go right there. Obviously you don't have to draw anything. The second one, I don't have to draw anything, and if you want to, if it helps you, you can cross out those squares as you go, because remember, we're not going to do the background. So that would be your next square there to start on. Cut.